Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
William Samoei Ruto.
Do solemnly accept to be the presidential candidate.
Do solemnly accept to be the presidential candidate
Of the United Democratic Alliance Party.
of the United Democratic Alliance Party
In the national general elections.
in the national general elections
To be held on the 9th August
to be held-
2022.
to be held on the 9th August 2022.
That
I will truly
and diligently
and diligently
serve the United Democratic Alliance Party
serve the United Democratic Alliance Party
and the members of the party
and the members of the party
as its presidential candidate
as presidential candidate
in compliance with the party's electoral and code of conduct.
in compliance with the party's electoral and code of conduct,
And that I will diligently
and that I will diligently
discharge my duties
discharge my duties
and perform my functions
and perform my functions
as the presidential candidate
as the presidential candidate
of the United Democratic Alliance.
of the United Democratic Alliance Party.
And I will do justice to all
And I will do justice to all
in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya,
in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya,
the United Democratic Alliance Party Constitution,
the United Democratic Alliance Party Constitution,
and all other laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will.
and all other laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will.
So help me God.
So help me God. Hustler Nation is a young nation. The voice as well as the aspiration of Kenya's young people form an essential pillar of our movement. I therefore want to register my gratitude and appreciation and assure you of my commitment to open up opportunities for young people to thrive and drive the progress of our nation. For me, this moment has been long in coming. I have been engaged in political leadership and associated activities since my university days. Obviously, I did not have the opportunity in those days to seek presidential nomination. But I rose from the bottom of the party pyramid, working my way up until I entered party leadership and eventually became a member of the National Assembly at the age of 31. I was an assistant minister at the age of 33 and a cabinet minister at the age of 36, and an opposition MP at the age of 37. And that has sort of formed the basic rhythm of my career ever since. In that time, I have learned a lot, made mistakes, achieved successes, and refined my leadership philosophy and vision for this country. I have learned that leadership failures can cost the country tremendous opportunity and inflict irreparable harm on those many people who depend on us. I have learned that the biggest mistake a government or a party can make is to fail the inclusion test. My original political intuition that governance is all about the people and that development can only be sustainable if programs are designed on the people's